Welcome to the G29 Shipping Engine. This Shopify app was developed to solve a problem for Shopify merchants. How can Shopify merchants appropriately calculate shipping such that it matches what they're charged by their couriers when they're distributing out their products to their customers? Without having an API directly into their courier, merchants are left with little options. They either get a custom API developed for that courier, which costs time and resources. They could create shipping rules. There's a few shipping rules apps out there that allow users to create different workarounds to solve this problem. G29 Shipping Engine is the first Shopify app that brings construction of courier logic into the Shopify admin panel. Let me walk you through this. First, courier setup. This plugin was designed with a preset built into it for Australia. This preset comes loaded. You can set the courier name, the origin postcode, the fuel levy, GST, transit days, and there's a reference here to a postcode database. Now, postcodes come loaded with all Australia postcodes with their suburb, state, and zone breakdown. You can also upload your own postcode databases for other countries besides Australia. Our tool provides templates for you to populate and upload as a new postcode database by creating a country. So, in this instance, we'll connect with the Australian postcode database. Our pricing model is consignment units. Couriers often charge merchants by consignment unit. Every cube area of the truck is calculated to a cost. The consignment unit size is typically 25 kilograms. We also have per kilogram and tiered per kilogram options. Let's save that. Let's put 3 and 7 for transit days. Now this courier comes loaded with zones already created. And so we have a zone here, Hunter Zone 12, with these postcodes. So any customer in these postcodes has a first unit cost of $25 and every other subsequent unit cost of $19.80. This is the same scale down economics that couriers use in their formulations to calculate and charge shipping. Now, your courier very well may have this information, and if you can request it for them, you can populate your Shopify store with your courier's logic. Now, going into shipping coverage, this is a quick table that allows you to select where you want to and don't want to deliver to in your country. Now, this is showing Australian states because we have the Australian postcode database activated. This will show states and region breakdowns based on the postcode database you have activated. So you can upload a postcode database of America, New Zealand, Europe, wherever you hail from. Cart pricing. This is where you can select a pricing mode. Base item is recommended. Base item finds the first product to charge for shipping. And the first product to charge for shipping is the product that has the largest weight. And the product that has the largest weight, it's either based on their actual weight or their volumetric weight. Subsequent items are routed at a percentage of what their standalone shipping would cost. So by setting 20% for subsequent items, we have a fair scaling of shipping costs based on what the business will be charged by the courier for sending a few items together. There are also additional fee options and limit options. Now the messaging area, we allow users to tag their products as bulky quote, which means they won't get quoted at checkout. A message will be delivered to the user. Contact us for a shipping quote. This is to handle outlier products that you might not want to charge for immediately at checkout if you have some prior arrangement, or if it's a custom bulk product that just makes more sense to be a conversation between businesses than the checkout experience. Now there are more setting options. There's weight and dimensions. This is where chargeable weight gets set with a volumetric divisor. This equation calculates what the volumetric weight is of an item. And so users are charged at the chargeable weight. You can also quickly search products. There are pricing preview tests, rate logs, config history, and settings. Now, with this plugin set up, we do need to go into shipping and delivery and into our profile. And I will select Australia, standard delivery, and done. All right, now G29 Shipping Engine has been added. Let's return to the store. Let's click into a product, add to cart, go to checkout. Now with this Brisbane address from a Victorian posting location, our courier charges $149. This is an appropriate calculation based on all the settings that were configured.